this. Nice trout, baby. Alright, look at that, folks. He's happy he got his first trout today. Woo, hold sideways. You get sideways shot. There you go, pretty one. Alright, folks. You take that number of boats there and you multiply by 20, and that's what tomorrow's gonna look like with that rodeo. Been a while, folks, but I keep you going. See that orange? That's what I call them on the orange. What the fuck is that? Alright, folks, a double header here. I got a croak up top and a fawn on the bottom. Whoop, 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 whoop. Alright, folks, we have another species here. Can't get away from these guys. Catch them at Delacro, catch them here. Just can't get away from them. I hate to lose my rig. Guess I'm gonna have to, though. Flounder, folks. Alright, folks, my man's on one here.
Trying to get him over here. He don't want to come this way.
It's alright, make him come this way, baby. Make him come this way. Oh, be a big trout. We've been out here so long without catching trout. And he keep the trout anyway. Oh yeah, there he is. There he is. Woo! Be careful. Whoa, that's what you want. That's so hold that big boy up. Let me see him. Oh yeah. That's what we hunting for, folks. Might start, baby. Might. Big Don's on another one, folks. Hopefully it's a pretty one. Like you said, we might be here all day. Oh God, look at this one. Quick. Oh,
jeez. Right. Oh my God.
Alright, folks, that might be a PB for him. That's about a 4.5 pounder right there, 5 pounder. Easy.
I've caught some in the 5 range before.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Alright, folks, Big Don's got one here. Looks like to be a nice one. Might be a double. Ooh. Oh, so pretty. That's get a side of that fish. Alright, folks. Whoa! Whoa! Two of them. Oh, Pat did 2 of them. A double header for Mr. Pat. All right, buddy. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera off. We got some action here. Another one, yeah, baby. Big Pat's on fire out here, folks. He's just catching his fair share. Matter of fact, I think he's up on me, but oh, Big Pat's got an oyster shell, man. Yeah. False alarm. But that's all right. He knows he's feeling that bottom, though. So the lure's got to be close to that bottom. You don't want to be on the bottom all the time, but you want to be close. Open that box up, Pat. Give us a little ice chest, a little shine on the ice chest. See what it looks like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're doing all right. You're doing all right. All right, bud. This Lake Petro, gonna get him. Quick action. Pat back on again. This time it ain't no oyster shell. Come on, Pat. Get him in. Get him in, Pat. Whoop whoop.
It's coming with me now.
Whoop whoop. We're about 2 blocks from 173. That's where we're at. We're getting them right up in here. We've been drifting back and forth. Got about 6 of them so far. And it is 11. Oh, there he is. Oh, looky, yeah. On the orange too. So what's the secret, Pat? Get in Uncle Tommy's boat. One more time. Uncle Tommy's boat. Stop. Open it up with 11:23. We stopped fishing. Came on in. Open the box up, Pat. One more time. That's the fruits of our labor today. Had a beautiful day. We had 27 trout, 2 reds, 1 flounder. And as you can see with the flag up there, the breeze is perfect. We had a north-northwest breeze, maybe 4 to 6 to 8 maybe. Perfect day. Yeah. Redfish we caught on the bird. This is my nephew Pat. My brother Albert's son. I think I'll try to get him for you. There we go. That is pretty. Pretty, folks. Pretty. Pretty as can be. Oh, it got off, my lord. Fish got off, big old redfish. All right. Oh, you pull in the water a little bit? Let me see your lures in the water. No, let them stay in the water for me. About right there, that's good. You see, folks, it looks pretty good. The water's kind of a little bit of stain, but it looks pretty good. Let's drop them. Dwayne's on them again. There he is, folks. He's no trout master, but he ain't no slouch. He's putting them in the boat pretty good. Pretty good. Just tell him you come on back down, man. I missed y'all. See you later, Colton. Todd. All right. Big Hugh's got one on, folks. There's the pole bending. He's fixing to pull the boat. Nice one. Quick, man. Don't let him hang on the side. I'm almost on the other side of the boat. Oh, he's on fire, folks. He's on fire. Look at that. See how they falling right off? Uh-oh, it's a nice trout. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Get him in. Get him in. Oh, this man, when he brings them in, anyway, we're getting back to fishing. Man, when you're hot, you're hot.
Look at that.
Big Hugh then got him a big old flounder.
Big old flounder fish.
I don't want to see those because that means the trout can't stop this man. We tied right now, but the flounder, he's got one more fish to make. We're going to keep going at it, though. Pablo got the first fish of the day, and it is 9:27, so it took 20 minutes to get that little fish, but we're all right. At least we got one.
I don't know if he's gonna make it.
No, he might make it, Pop. Measure him up, buddy.
Yep.
This makes it. Nice. Pablo caught the first fish of the day. Slow trolling. Hook one, miss one. Oh, Big Pablo got a phone call. Plus, he's got a fish.
We're gonna have to have
You got Pop.
we're gonna have to have padding to take care of
As
it.
you can see, it's a little rough out here. We got about another flounder. Pablo, a double trout on a double rig. They are eating up. Nice. Alright folks, we have another species here. Can't get away from these guys. Catch them at Delacro, catch them here. Just can't get away from them. I hate to lose my... Oh yeah, there he is. There he is. Woo! Be careful. Whoa! That's what you want? So hold that big boy up. Let me see him. Oh yeah. That's what we hunting for, folks. Might start, baby. Might. Big Don's on another one, folks. Hopefully it's a pretty one. Like you said, we might be all day. Oh God, look at this one. Quick. Oh,
Jeez. Right. Oh my God.
All right, folks, that might be a PB for him. That's about a 4.5